Hey everyone, welcome to day 6, I guess. So for today we have a couple things to go through. So first things first, my client's campaign here. We see how it's performing. I sent 600 emails. So this reply rate is not accurate because in the inbox I received a lot of out of office messages. I would say like out of the 600, it would be like 100 out of office message. This opportunity is a wrong one. It was a not qualified leads. It was basically an agency. So I already went through all of this. The purpose is to go through the campaign during the weekend and adapt a few things. So this is important. Second thing I'm working on today is um, my good friend Anas. Shout out to you, by the way. My good friend Anas has a agency that works with pool builders. So what I did is that I asked him for a document. I made a post in the community so I can have basically the copy with the connector angle. So I will so he can run his campaign. And the idea is to make two lists for him. Okay, this first list is, I don't know what is this. Okay, so this list is how big is this list? 22,000. Damn. But there are some ones with no email. Okay, so at 22,000 lists, here I have a 16,000 list with email and website, which is good. Email, website, that's good. And the third one is first name, last name, title, company. This one looks like it's coming out from Apollo, which is good. So yeah, we will enrich all of these lists here, and the point is, this one is how many? This one is 2,386 leads. Okay, and this one is kind of international, I guess. There is leads from Australia, from everywhere. Well, that's good. Yeah, so for the enrichment, every list will be different because they don't. So for example, if we go here and we do if we filter this one, damn, I can't I can do this. Yeah, okay, so if I go here and I filter with email, if I remove the empty ones, how much am I left with? This is a big list, huh? Okay. $22,000. Damn, that's solid. I think I will work with this one. So how we would do it is that I will take a new document. So the most important thing is let me take the okay. So first list Anna's leads. So the first enrichment would be email verification. Okay, Second enrichment would be ICP validation. Well, ICP validation has to come before. So we make sure that these are pool companies, pool builders, pool constructors, everything. ICP validates ICP. Email verification or validation. After that, do we have the company name? Not all of them has company name. Well, basically they do. That's the company name. But we don't have the first name and second name in the... Yeah, we don't have the first name. That's weird. So if we don't have the first name, how are we supposed to... Okay, so we'll have to find owner. That's also doable with the Google Search API. So basically, let's take for example Hollywood Pool and Spa, and you just paste it in my owner. That's Ron W. Davis. Yeah, I think that's doable. So after that, I'm not sure if I should include we have the address, so we should extract this city. Yeah, we should extract city. Find city from address. I mean, basically that's there is the city here, so we just need to clean it out. Okay, clean address and maybe personalization if it takes a lot of time, or if you don't have credits left. We'll see about that. And I think that's all for this first list. And this second list, we have here we have business name. We don't have the owner as well, so second, I can't copy this. So second list. What I will do for the second list is that find I think it's the same basic thing here. Do we have the city or not? We don't have the city, so same thing basically. Find city, clean address, and maybe a personalization, because this is based on the copy that Saad will write me. If the copy contains a personalization, then I will make one. If it doesn't, then all good. And yeah, so this is the second one. Third one, this one we have first name, second name, last name. We don't have emails. Oh, we do. Oh, we have the state, the company state, email open. Well, this list is weird because we don't have the email, which is weird. Okay, so for this one, owner, so third list, which is this one. We'll just validate ICP. So ICP validation is very important because we can keep landscapers and all of that in it, but if the copy doesn't include those people, it doesn't make sense. Okay, validate ICP, find email, and I think that's it. Find email. So for the people who doesn't know, if you find the email, it is basically verified. You don't need to verify it using the email finder. So the API basically searches with the combinations of first name, last name, and company name, and it sends signals to multiple addresses, and the one that responds is the correct one, so it's validated actually already. Yeah, I think this one is all, and I think that we will start with this one because it's a small list. I can end it today and send it over so he can launch the campaign Monday, and the other two I will work on them this weekend as well. So yeah, I will start working on these and take you back when I'm advanced in my work. Yeah, so we're back. I'll show you. Started working on the list. So the first one here, NS list 1, which is the last one here, I said that I would validate ICP, find email, and something I forgot to mention is find MSP, which is pretty easy to do with Clay. I will show you how, and it just allows us to see how many Google inboxes are there, or Microsoft, to adapt our sending email. So if we have, for example, 70% Google and 30% Microsoft, we will do like the same thing on the email side, and we will parameter it on instantly so that Google sends to Google and Microsoft sends to Microsoft. So I will continue. So what I will do, this one is it's not this one, this one is my list. I will just download it. Looks good. Fichier CSV, and then I will take this one here and I will add it to my Clay. Import CSV, bring it here. Okay, perfect. First row contains column names, which is true, and delimiter is comma. We'll do it a new one, and we will complete. Yeah, okay. Well. That's stupid. I will just change the name here. I know you don't see, but I'll just change the name. Leave it at NS list 1. It is true that the name was very long, actually. I'll leave it this one. NS list number 1. Perfect. And then I'll do that again. There we go. Yes, new table, let's go. So here, after importing the list, I just found out that there was a lot of hidden columns, so I need to remove them. All of this will not help us with anything, so I'll just remove all of these. Corporate form, list. I'm keeping the website and the city, and all of this. I'll delete. Email status. I don't know if this is reliable or not. I'm still going to delete. Perfect. So even the title I will hide. Maybe I will need it. Company name for emails, website. This is basically the same thing on this one, so it's good. And I think we're good here. So here we'll add enrichment, and to validate we will need to look for, so before that so here I'm just using the enrichment AI of Clay to identify if this company website is a pool construction / pool builder company. Output true or false with. I'll do save, and let's see. So here we start having the results. We have one false, and the other ones are all true. Pool, leading companies. Yeah, this is basically pool heating instead of pool heating company instead of a pool construction company, which is quite different, but I don't know, we might leave it. But that's a B2B niche. No, not really. I'm saying that because mostly it's like hotels, spas that wanna have heated pools. Checking here. Also to not crash my navigator, I just made the list 15 here so I can work with them. So this is taking quite some time. I will need to change the prompt maybe. So I'll just move myself here to show you. So what I will do, I will generate a more specified prompt with the Clay tool. This is good. I'll just remove, yeah, let's leave them, and I'll use Gemini because it's cheaper and better. Okay, perfect. So now we'll next step is email finder. So not email finder but email verifier. So for the email verifier we have to find an HTTP API here, and then what I will use is a tool called Nueta, since I'm in the community. Here I'll go to email verifier. So it shows you how to use it here. All you got to do is select an endpoint. So this will be the endpoint. Copy paste. So here email, replace it with email, and in the headers, this is the header, do this, we copy paste our API key, and we're good. Save. Basically here rate limits, we'll do one every I should not do one maybe. So we'll do 5 and 1,000. We save and we run 15 rows. Let's go. Let's see. Okay, errors. Why? Header must be HTTP token. Okay, I must have some problems with my okay, I have a new one here. Let's see. That's the same basically. Is it a header? Why isn't it working? Yeah, I'll refresh the key to see if I can get a new one. Perfect. I'll use this one. Okay. Yeah, well, after searching a little bit, I shouldn't, I didn't add get here. In here, if we try, it will work. Still not working. That's weird. Save and run on 10 rows. Damn. Same error, that's weird. So we're back. Next steps would be, first of all, I forgot to check for duplicate emails here. So there is no duplicates. So I was able to verify emails. So as you can see here, the result is valid deliverable. Okay. So I used this one here. So I will make a condition here is only Here I need to make a condition, only run if the ICP is true. So only run if let's see. Okay, that's not it. Okay, this is good. Save. Okay. So I will run everything once I'm done. So here I will just add in a formula and I'll do display Google if so display Google if here I have items, so if the MX email provider, I'm not sure if it's the email provider or something else. Wait, let me see. So email status, email provider, yeah. Display Google if email provider is Google. Microsoft if, same thing here, my provider is Microsoft, if other, display other. This doesn't work. That's not good. I don't know why. Let me see. So I don't know if I showed, but I changed the prompt here. Edit, not here. So it was if the email provider is Google, display Google, and if the email provider is Microsoft, display Microsoft. If it's other, display other, and it worked. I'm going to do something else now because since I will need to have the website description for the personalization, so I will first of all so I will just add enrichment. I will normalize domain and I'll take the website and I want it to become like this. Just normalize domain, normalized URL. Yeah. Now we'll make it here. So yeah, that's it. And now I'm doing something more technical, which is using an instantly hidden API, I will get the put it here. Yeah, as I said, HTTP API, and then here I have a make scenario with this, and basically this will help us retrieve company's description. Okay, so the method would be get, endpoint is this one, instead of not sure here, split email. Why does it split email? Yeah, because he's getting companies slash, yeah, he's splitting the email to get the domain from the email. So what I will do is just let me look from where, from the slash to the slash. So here, and I will add in normalized domain in this one, and then so I need to add headers. I'll have two headers, three headers here. So we go to headers, add, I have 2 and 3. Nice. So here, first one would be content type, second one would be auth, and third one would be this one. Perfect. Then I think that's all. So here I'm just finalizing everything, since I just ran all the ICP verification. And the email verifier. Well, it's 1 a.m. I just finished the list. I didn't like finish it like I wanted, but at least I validated ICP, verified the email, and got the MSP, which was basically what we were planning to do. Besides, yeah, these three here. So the first list done. I will deliver it to Anas, and we'll see what we can do from there. See you tomorrow. I will make another video tomorrow, and then we continue.